Step 6, we're going to be putting on the left and right side caps. This goes at the top to cover up the connection there. Put those into place. Just be sure you're not pinching any of the wires that you're covering up there. And we're going to put in some machine screws as well as just some sheet metal screws that hold those in place. Go ahead and tighten them up. Be careful not to over tighten them because you can crack the plastic, but we want to be sure they're tight so they don't make any noise. There are 4 screws to put in on the outside and 2 screws to put in on the inside, and then we'll repeat the process on the left side. Step 6, we're going to be putting on the left and right side caps.